Hello everyone. Today we will start our exercise 6.2. Okay, so it's a very simple exercise, and you can solve all the question of this exercise very easily. Just try to understand the concept. Okay, so here 3x plus 4. This is a question number 3 of this exercise. So here 3x plus 4y, that is less than or equals to 12. This equation is given to us. Okay, first of all, I'm writing this equation like this. Okay, now you have to just calculate the three values so that you can draw the graph of this line. Fine. So here I'm drawing a box. Here x and y. When you will put your x is 0, so your y would be 3. I'm not explaining this step because I know you have done this in your 10th standard. Fine. So when you will put x equals to 0, your y would be 3. And when you will put y equals to 0, your x would be 4. Okay, actually there is a need of 3 values, so but I am solving only 2 values. Fine, you can also calculate 2 values if you are accurate. If you think you are not doing any, you will not do any mistake. Fine. So here I'm solving, I'm getting only 2 values of x and y. So first is 0 comma 3 and second is 4 comma 0. So if we'll plot the graph of this equation on the number on the graph paper, so you can check 1 2 3 4. I'm drawing a free hand, but in exam you have to use a scale and you have to draw it with the help of pencil also. Okay, if you use pen, so I will give you 0 marks. So please use pencil while drawing this graph. Okay, so this is your x, this is your x dash, this is your y, and this is y dash. Fine. So first point which we have to plot, that is 0 comma 3. 0 comma 3 means what? Your x is 0 and y is 3. The 1 2 3. So this is the point. And x is 4 comma 0. Your x is 4. 1 2 3 4 and y is 0. So this is the point. So you have to join these 2 points and you will get a line. Okay, this is how you can draw the graph. Now in this question you have to check that you have to put 0 0 at a place of x 0 and at a place of y 0. If this equation satisfied, see how we'll do this. So in this equation I'm putting at a place of x I'm putting 0 and at a place of y I'm putting 0. So you will get, here I'm writing 0 plus 0, that is, so this means what? This equation is correct. So 12 is greater than 0. So this statement is true. If this is true, so you have to shade the reason towards origin. So here is the origin and this is your line, so you have to shade a reason towards origin like this. Okay, if suppose this equation you suppose you are getting this, so you will plot the, you will draw the this you will draw this graph towards this, towards the origin. That means away from this line like this. Fine, not towards origin, it would be away from the origin if your statement is false. So now in this question it is correct. So this graph you have to draw, it would be towards origin. Just you have to shade it and you have to leave this question. Okay, so this is how you can solve all the question of this exercise. Fine, but it's a very simple question, so I will not give you only one equation in exam. I will give you at least 3 or 4 equations. Fine, you will get the 3 or 4 equations as when we will solve the exercise 6.3, then you will get that kind of question I'm talking about. Fine, so the question which contains at least 3 or 4 equation, that is a very important question and you have to practice it. Fine. So I'm just giving you the idea how can you draw the graph. So this is your question number 3, and rest of all the question you have to solve. Okay, this is your homework. If you are facing any problem, you can ask. See children, so here I'm solving the question number 9, that is y is less than -2. Okay, this is your equation and you have to plot the graph in 2 dimension. So I'm assuming that this y is equals to -2. Okay, so here I'm drawing a box. Your y will remain -2 -2, and at a place of x you can take 0 and 1, because x is not here, so you can take 0 and 1. Okay, so as you have done in the 10th standard. Okay, now you have to draw the graph. This is your x, this is your x dash, this is your y, and here is your y dash. So 1 2 3 4, -1 -2 -3 and -4. 1 2 3 4, -1 -2 -3 and -4 is coming. Okay, so your first point is 0 -2. Your x is minus, y is -2, so here it is. Your x is 0 and your y is -2. So this point, your x is 1. When your y is -2, so this point will come. So when you will join this point, and you will get a line parallel to x-axis like this. Okay, now you have to put 0 here, so you are getting 0 when you put x equals to 0. Fine, so your equation would be like this. So 0 is not less than -2, so this is false. So you have to shade this away from the origin. So here the origin is there here, so you have to shade the region away from the origin. That means you are getting this line, so you have to shade this region that is away from the origin. Okay, so this is how you can solve this exercise. Okay children, so practice each and every question of your exercise 6.2. Okay, so in the next class we will solve exercise 6.3. Find out which is a very important exercise. Bye bye, take care.